Several of the nation's teachers spent 2 days learning how to use storytelling to teach math concepts to students in the classroom. Steph King is an independent primary mathematics advisor and author of Max Math books for grades 3 and 4. King was in Grenada on Monday and Tuesday, facilitating a Macmillan-sponsored workshop for local math teachers.
As part of today, we're looking at the way in which we can use simple resources, things like post-it notes, counters, strips of paper and all that sort of thing, to actually set up tasks, practical activities in the classroom that get children engaged and hopefully loving mathematics as well. One of the first things we did this morning was to actually introduce the concept of perimeter and area. The teachers didn't know they were going to do that to begin with, through a story. And something I've been doing over many years now is the way in which we can use a story as a vehicle to actually introduce a mathematical idea. So rather than doing it as an abstract way, by giving it as a story, then hopefully children are therefore engaged in what the context is, have some sense of what it looks like in the outside world, and then start to link the mathematics to it.
Curriculum Officer for Mathematics in the Ministry of Education, Youth, Sports and Culture, Lydon Richardson, says teachers will be going back to their schools to share the knowledge gained as the ministry seeks to get students loving mathematics.
Now, we all know the issues we have with mathematics on the island, with our students and teachers, so there's definitely an issue with the teaching-learning process in mathematics. Now, for the past 2 days, what I've learned thus far is that I'm going to take a page from my colleague, brains on, hands on. So there's a lot of activities starting from concrete. So we move from the concrete, pictorial and abstract. The importance of that process, the importance of the questions you ask to get more from your students.
The Macmillan Country Agent Cheryl Barnaby Bishop notes that there will be follow-up sessions.
We believe for this 70th anniversary, it won't be a hit and run, So you do the workshop, you're gone, and that's it. Therefore, we will follow up with webinars, right, throughout the year, and also for them to come back again and do a follow-up. And like I'm here on the ground, and so I'm hoping probably to get a group of teachers who will be able to build that learning community.
The workshops come as Macmillan Education Caribbean begin their 70th anniversary celebrations. For the National Report, I am Sorana Mitchell.